Magandang araw ho. It's Thursday. It's Holy Thursday. Pero nagpalabas ho ng statement ang Department of Education tungkol sa naganap na commotion during graduation ceremony doon sa division ng Antique. Basahin ho natin ito para mas maintindihan ho natin. Alright? So, the Department of Education, or DepEd, acknowledges the reported incident involving a school head and graduating senior high school students in the province of Antique, wherein wearing togas during the graduation ceremony became a point of contention. The department deeply regrets that this occasion, which should have been a moment of pride and celebration, became a source of distress for the learners and their families. For clarification, DepEd policy does not prohibit the wearing of togas. There is no prohibition under DepEd Memorandum Number 27, Series of 2025, and under DepEd Order Number 9, Series of 2023. The prescribed attire for graduation and moving up ceremonies includes casual or formal wear or the school uniform. The toga or sablay may be worn as an optional supplementary garment. These guidelines were adopted to encourage simplicity, promote inclusivity, and ease the financial burden on families. However, such policies must be interpreted and implemented with discernment and never result in any learner's exclusion, embarrassment, or marginalization. Given the incident, the department has initiated the appropriate investigation processes to verify the facts and determine accountability if warranted. DepEd reiterates its directive to all school officials to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, compassion, and respect in implementing policies, ensuring at all times the protection of the rights and dignity of every learner. Yan ho ang kabuuan na statement ng Department of Education tungkol sa nangyari doon sa Antique. Ikaw kabayan, ano ang masasabi mo doon sa principal na pinahubad yung mga estudyante na nakasuot ng toga dahil hindi ho yung official na attire during the celebration? This is very famous in the social media right now. Magandang araw.